again on my own. Going down the only road I've ever known.
Denied!
Some free tax money to pay for your new car, which could save you money.
But you're stupid. Maxi is budget easy nomadic leasing. T for T apply. Visit maxi.com.au.
What a fucking idiot.
Something got a taxi there, but he can certainly sit back down in his seat when he's ready.
Stop it!
We'll probably talk the Battle of the Big Cats shortly and talk.
What a fucking idiot.
know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
emergency 000. Your call is being connected. Emergency, police, fire or ambulance?
Probably police.
Alright, what state and town is the emergency in?
We are currently in Ipswich motorway, so in boundary
Alright,
of
it's
Ipswich.
with man.
Cool, thank
Police
you.
connected. That's the police reading, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Filter 803-3104.
Thanks, Filter. Police emergency. What's the nature of the emergency?
Hi, there's just guy behind me. He's swerving left and right. He is like falling asleep and he has a dog with him.
Okay, where are you, ma'am?
I'm in an Ipswich motorway at the moment and he's slowing really down.
Ipswich motorway, and you're in the vicinity. Which way are you heading, into Ipswich or into Brisbane?
To Brisbane.
You're heading inbound towards Brisbane, and you last called in the vicinity of Goodna.
Oh, he's swerving left
Okay.
and right.
And what sort of vehicle is it, ma'am?
It's a white U.
And can you see the registration at all?
No, oh my god, he's gonna hit someone. No, I can't see it.
Ma'am? Okay, no rego. And one driver. Can you give me a description of the driver?
One driver with a bucket hat on his head with a dog on his front seat.
Can you see any exits or numbers that you're near at the moment?
So I'm about to approach exit to Logan Motorway.
So you're about to approach the Logan Motorway.
Yes, I can follow him in a safe way. Cause he's,
You're what?
I can follow him in a very safe way.
I'm not asking you to follow him at all, ma'am.
Okay.
I don't want you to put him into that situation. So you drive to where you're going.
Yeah.
Has he gone onto the Logan Motorway where we've been talking?
Not yet. He's just literally behind me. Yeah, this is really bad because one eye was shut already. Give me 1 second. He's still on the lane. Hang on. I'm just waiting if he's gonna merge to the left or right to the Logan Motorway.
Yep.
He's not indicating. I guess he's going straight. Yeah, he's
So
going
he's on the
straight.
Ipswich Motorway still, or is he gone on to Logan Motorway?
He's still on the Ipswich Motorway. Heading up
Okay,
to
so
Brisbane now.
Okay. And it's a white ute, no rego.
I can't really see the reg.
Where the hell are you going?
Fuck yourself.
Is he going to turn left or is he going to zip out?
No, he's. Oh no, he didn't.
That's what I thought.
Oh, naughty.
Yeah. And it just could see that it was a Commodore. They don't follow the rules at all.
You gonna go through red light? Yep, red light. Stupid bitch. We got a bunch of dumb fucks today. Are you serious, cockhead?
Didn't even look, dumbass.
Fuck me. Embarrassing.
You're chucking a gooey on white double lines, you absolute fucking moron. Oh my god.
Oh god. Cyclist wearing black in dim light, no lights. Through a red light. Oh, Jesus. Clarendon Homes. Oh, Jesus.
Red light camera ahead.
Oh, Scotty.
Oh, that's the curve, sweet cheeks. Man, that racing line is not the one you need to take.
That's right.
Okay, you mentioned Varada Sethu there, Michelle. He appeared with
Wednesday this week.
So when I got the phone call,
So one review a week from the Doctor Who podcast, and they'll be dropping at some point each Saturday. So it's a lot more sedate and a lot easier for us here to record. So I'm a big fan of this switch just because of that. But yes, episode 394 of the Doctor Who podcast.
Sorry, this watch is a bit of word, isn't it? Oh, not that kind of bitch. He's a what?
What sort of a call is that? I've never had a 15. Look at this bloody turkey.
Well, like a road runner. Beep, beep.